In this video, I'll show you how to access ChatGPT for free without ChatGPT Plus. First, here's the most important update. If you're specifically looking for GPT-4, OpenAI's current Help Center says GPT-4o and GPT 4.1 have been retired from ChatGPT, and the free tier now gives users access to newer models instead. OpenAI's free tier FAQ says free users currently have access to a range of capabilities with GPT 5.2, along with tools like web search, file and image uploads, image creation, and access to GPTs, all with usage limits. So if your goal is to use Chat GPT for free without paying for Plus, the official method is very simple. Go to ChatGPT, sign in, or create a free account, and start using the free plan. OpenAI says the free tier is available at no cost, and it includes access to ChatGPT's main experience, just with lower limits than paid plans. Once you're inside ChatGPT, just start a new chat like normal. OpenAI's help page explains that free users can use GPT 5.2 for a limited number of messages within a 5-hour window. After you hit that limit, ChatGPT may restrict access until the limit resets, or switch you to a smaller version depending on the model flow currently being used. So yes, you can use ChatGPT for free, but the free version comes with usage caps. Now here's where many people get confused. A lot of older videos still talk about getting GPT-4 for free, but OpenAI's official information shows that the product has changed. Today, the better way to explain it is this. You can use ChatGPT for free, but the exact model available on the free tier is based on OpenAI's current rollout. And right now, OpenAI says the free tier includes GPT 5.2 with limits. If you want more usage, faster access, or higher limits, that's when Plus comes in. OpenAI says ChatGPT Plus is a paid plan that gives enhanced access and higher limits, but it is not required just to start using ChatGPT. That means the legitimate free option is simply the official free tier, not a workaround hack or unofficial website. So the simple answer is this. If you want to use ChatGPT without ChatGPT Plus, just use the official free plan. And if you were searching for GPT-4 specifically, keep in mind that OpenAI has already retired GPT-4 era models from ChatGPT and replaced them with newer ones on the current plans. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.